Is your Samsung dishwasher not draining? Don't panic. Before calling a technician, you can try a few simple fixes that might solve the problem quickly and without spending any money. In many cases, a clogged filter, a blocked drain hose, or a minor sensor issue could be the reason your dishwasher isn't emptying water properly. Let's go through some easy troubleshooting steps to get your dishwasher working again. Step 1. Safety first. Before doing any repairs, always unplug the dishwasher from the power source and turn off the water supply. Remove all dishes and utensils, take out the racks, and wipe away any standing water inside the appliance. Now you're ready to diagnose the issue. Step 2. Check the filter. One of the most common reasons a Samsung dishwasher won't drain is a clogged filter. Over time, food particles, grease, and debris build up, blocking water flow. How to clean the filter. Locate the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Twist and pull it out carefully. Rinse it under running water and use a soft brush to remove any stuck debris. If the mesh screen is damaged, replace the filter. To prevent future clogs, clean your filter regularly, ideally once a week if you use your dishwasher daily. Step 3. Inspect the drain hose. A blocked or kinked drain hose can stop water from draining properly. The hose connects the dishwasher to the sink's drainage system, and if it's clogged with food waste, grease, or even lime scale, water won't flow out. What to do? Disconnect the hose from both ends, the dishwasher and the sink drain. Check for any visible blockages and clean it out using a plumbing snake or wire hanger. Ensure the hose is not twisted or bent when reconnecting it. If you notice a buildup of lime scale, using dishwasher salt regularly can help prevent future issues. Step 4. Test the drain pump. The drain pump is responsible for pushing water out of the dishwasher. If it's faulty or clogged, the dishwasher won't drain. Sometimes food particles or even small broken dishes can block the pump impeller. How to check the pump? Locate the drain pump, usually under the filter area. Remove any debris or foreign objects stuck inside. If the pump's impeller is broken, you may need to replace the entire pump. If the motor inside the pump burns out, the dishwasher won't be able to drain at all. You can test it with a multimeter. If there's no continuity, the pump needs to be replaced. Step 5. Check the water level sensor. Samsung dishwashers have a water level sensor that detects the amount of water inside. If this sensor malfunctions, it may incorrectly signal that there's no water to drain. How to fix it? Locate the sensor near the drain pump. Carefully remove and clean it using warm water and vinegar to dissolve any residue. Reinstall it and test if the dishwasher now drains properly. Step 6. Ensure the float switch isn't stuck. Dishwashers have a float switch that prevents overfilling. If it gets stuck due to debris buildup, the dishwasher may stop draining. To fix this, find the float switch inside the dishwasher. It looks like a small plastic dome or cylinder. Gently move it up and down to check if it's stuck. Clean any dirt or food particles that might be blocking it. Step 7. Check the garbage disposal connection. If your dishwasher is connected to a garbage disposal unit, a clogged disposal drain could be causing the issue. Food waste and grease can build up inside, preventing water from draining. Try this. Run the garbage disposal to clear any blockages. Use a mixture of baking soda and vinegar to break down grease and debris. Flush with hot water and test the dishwasher again. Final thoughts. If your Samsung dishwasher is still not draining after trying these steps, it may require professional repair. However, in most cases, cleaning the filter, checking the drain hose, and ensuring the pump and sensors are working properly can resolve the issue. By performing regular maintenance, such as cleaning filters, using dishwasher salt to prevent limescale buildup, and keeping the drain hose clear, you can avoid future drainage problems. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home appliance troubleshooting tips. Blast off!